Hi friends, how are you all? Are you all enjoying your Dussehra vacation? I am also enjoying my Dussehra vacation. In the same way, I am preparing for my English Olympiad exam. In that, I found one interesting thing. See, here, what is the feminine gender of drone? What is the meaning of drone? I googled it. So, I saw that here bee is the animal and for that masculine is drone and feminine is queen. Usually queen means we know the king's wife is queen, but here the bee's feminine is also queen. Zebra is the animal and stallion is masculine and mare is the feminine. Owl is the animal, male is the masculine, female is the feminine. Possum is the animal, jack is the masculine, Jill is the feminine. We know the rhyme Jack and Jill, right? But it is not only a rhyme. Here it is the feminine of possum, it is a feminine of possum and the masculine of possum. Hope you liked my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.